Dear students, this is question number 3 of exercise 2.3. The question is obtain all zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square plus minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are under root 5 upon 3 and minus under root 5 upon 3. So there is a polynomial of degree 4. This is a polynomial of degree 4. So total number of zeros of this polynomial will be 4. So out of those 4 zeros, 2 zeros are given to us. One zero is under root 5 upon 3 and another zero is minus under root 5 upon 3. There are two more remaining zeros which we have to find out. So students, this is question number 3 of exercise 2.3. इसमें हमें कहा गया है कि एक पॉलिनोमियल है 3x टू द पावर 4 प्लस 6x क्यूब माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 10x माइनस 5. उसके दो जीरोज हमें दिए गए हैं. उसमें से एक है अंडर रूट 5 अपॉन 3, दूसरा है माइनस अंडर रूट 5 अपॉन 3. तो हमें इसके बाकी के दो जीरोज निकालने होंगे. ओके बच्चों, दो जीरोज दिए हुए हैं हमें, तो इसके फैक्टर क्या होंगे? इसी से हम जो ओरिजिनल पॉलिनोमियल है उसके फैक्टर निकाल सकते हैं. तो एक फैक्टर हो जाएगा हमारा x माइनस अंडर रूट 5 अपॉन 3 और दूसरा फैक्टर हमारा हो जाएगा x माइनस माइनस अंडर रूट 5 अपॉन 3 आर फैक्टर्स ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल. ठीक है, ये गिवन पॉलिनोमियल के फैक्टर है. तो इसी को हम थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. ये है हमारा x माइनस अंडर रूट 5 upon 3 and this will become x minus minus will be plus. So this is under root 5 upon 3. So let us multiply this. You know already a formula, a minus b into a plus b. So it gives us a square minus b square. So here the value of a is x. So this is x square. So it will be x square. Now the value of b is under root 5 upon 3. So here it will be under root 5 upon 3 square. So it will give us further x square minus what is under root square of under root 5 upon 3. So it will become simply 5 upon 3. Okay. So x square minus 5 upon 3 is a factor. ये गिवन पॉलिनोमियल का एक फैक्टर है. आप ये इसमें 3 को एलसीएम भी ले सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5 अपॉन 3 में 3 का एलसीएम लेंगे तो यहाँ पर 1 आ जाएगा. ये 3 होगा, ये 3 होगा. तो यहाँ से 3 में 3 में डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. तो यहाँ पर 5 मिलेगा और 1 से 3 में डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर मिलेगा 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5. सो बेसिकली 1 अपॉन 3x square minus 5 is a factor of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Okay. So class, now we will divide the given polynomial by this factor so that we can get another factor. Okay, so now you can do one thing to simplify your calculation, that you can divide by only this 3x square minus 5. So now let's divide. 3x square minus 5 into given polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay. So I draw this line. Now for to divide, what will I do? I will divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of divisor. So what will I get? I divide first term of dividend, that is 3x to the power 4, by the first term of divisor, that is 3x square. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. X square will divide x to the power 4, so you will get x square. So I write here x square. So now multiply this x square with each term of divisor. So x square into 3x square, you will get 3x to the power 4. When you multiply x square into minus 5, you will get minus 5x square. Now subtract and change the sign. This minus sign will become plus. This plus sign will become minus. So it will be cancelled out. Okay. Now I write the remaining terms. This 6x cube will come down. So it will be 6x cube. Now this is minus 2x square and this is plus 5x square. So I will get plus 3x square. Okay. Now I write the another remaining terms. Those are minus 10x and minus 5. So this is our new dividend. Okay. This is our new dividend. So I divide first term of this dividend by the first term of the divisor. So when I divide 6x cube by 3x square, so 3 divides 6, so I get 2, and x square divide this x cube, so I get x. So all in all I get 2x. Okay, so now I write plus 2x here in quotient part, and I will multiply this 2x with each term of divisor. So when you multiply 2x with 3x square, you will get 3 to the 6x cube. So I write here 6x cube. Now I multiply 2x into 5. So you will get 5 into 2. It means minus 10x. So I write minus 10x below the minus 10x. Now I will change the sign. I will change. Why will I change sign? Because I am subtracting. So it will become minus. Okay. And this minus sign will become plus. This will be plus. So 6x cube and minus 6x cube will be cancelled out. And minus 10x plus 10x will be cancelled out. So what will I get? I will get 3x square. And this minus 5 is remaining. So I write here minus 5. Now again what will I do? This is my new dividend. So I will divide first term of dividend. First term of dividend is 3x square. And first term of divisor, that is also 3x square. So it all cancel out with each other. I get 1. So I write plus 1 here. So I write here plus 1. And I will multiply this plus 1 with each term of divisor. So I get 3x square minus 5. Okay. Now I change the sign. This minus sign will become plus. And this plus sign will become minus. So 3x square and 3x square will be cancelled out. Minus 5 plus 5 will be cancelled out. So it is 0. So my remainder is 0. My quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. And divisor was 3x square minus 5. So by division algorithm, the dividend will be equal to multiplication of this quotient and divisor plus remainder. Okay, so I will apply division algorithm. So now by division algorithm, this is our dividend 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, and that will be equal to multiplication of divisor, which is 3x square minus 5 with quotient, which is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus remainder, which is 0. Okay. So now if we factorize this quotient, we will get another two zeros. So let us factorize this quotient, which is x square plus 2x plus 1. So it is very simple. X square, 2x can be broken as x plus x. This is plus 1. So from this part, take out x out as common, x plus 1 you will get. And from this part, this is already x plus 1. So you can take out plus 1. So you get x plus 1. So simply you get x plus 1 into x plus 1. So for zeros, what will you get? X plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from both sides you will get minus 1. You will get here from minus 1 also. Okay class? Fortunately, you are getting both zeros same, which is minus 1 and minus 1. So the question was obtain all zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So all zeros are under root 5 upon 3 comma minus under root 5 upon 3. These are the two zeros which are already given. Remaining zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. These are all four zeros of given polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. I hope that the question would be clear to you.